Welcome back to Mobile, Alabama Living with Leonel Colon. I'm Lionel, real estate agent with EXP Realty in Mobile, Alabama. Today, we're diving into a question hotter than a summer afternoon in the deep south. Does a pool actually add value to your home? Or should you just be really good friends with someone who has one? So stick around because you might be surprised by the answer. So let's get real. Pools are like that fancy gym membership you swore you use every single day. They seem like a great idea until you realize just how much maintenance they require. So whether you're thinking about installing one or buying a home that already has one, here are some things to consider. Number one, does your neighbor have a pool or neighbors? If every house in your neighborhood has a pool, your home might not stand out as much when you sell it. So on the flip side, if you're the only house on the block without one, buyers might see that as a deal breaker. It's all about staying competitive. Number two, can you use it all year long? Now listen, if you live somewhere like Florida or let's say Mobile, Alabama, a pool makes way more sense. But if you're up in Michigan, where winter lasts longer than a DMV line, you're basically installing a very expensive backyard ice rink. Number three, is your backyard big enough? A pool is great until you realize it takes up your entire yard. Buyer with kids, pets, or a love for backyard barbecues might not be thrilled about that trade-off. A pool should complement your space, not completely dominate it. Pools are fun, but they also come with responsibility. Kind of like a pet, but one that could actually swallow you whole. So if you own a pool, you need to think about a couple things. A fence, because liability is real. A pool cover, so you don't wake up to a surprise guest like a raccoon or alligator doing laps. A pool alarm, because safety, lawsuits. And hey, if you have kids or pets, teaching them basic swimming skills is non-negotiable. Or if you really are dedicated, get lifeguard certified yourself. You never know when you'll need to save Uncle Bob from an overly ambitious cannonball. Owning a pool means your homeowner's insurance will take a hit. It won't be sky high if you have safety precautions in place, but it's something to factor into your budget. Before you take the plunge, pun intended, call your insurance agent to compare costs with and without a pool. So the never-ending maintenance list, yes, the part that no one likes to talk about, keeping your pool clean and swimmable. If you thought mowing the lawn was a chore, get ready for pH testing. Science class every week. Chlorine or salt treatments, because bacteria loves a warm pool as much as you do. Pool shock, it's like hitting the reset button on cleanliness. Vacuuming, skimming, and filtering, because leaves and bugs don't pay rent. So if you are buying a home with a pool, ask the seller who maintains it and how much it costs. If they say, oh, we do it ourselves, it's easy, take that with a grain of salt or chlorine. So if you desire a pool, is it for you? Don't worry. You're not stuck with it forever. You can negotiate with the seller to fill it in before closing. Ask for a price reduction so you could fill it in later. Listen, just don't let the summer heat cloud your judgment. A pool might sound amazing when it's 100 degrees outside, but remember, it's going to get cold again. Is it really worth the upkeep? So, is a pool an investment or just an expensive high-maintenance backyard feature? Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you rather own a pool or just make sure your best friend does? And hey, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Mobile, Alabama, let's talk. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool out there.